In this video, I'll show you a common issue when using AI to navigate the internet for information, and how you can avoid it. The issue is that AI agents cannot download documents due to strict security and legal policies that you simply cannot bypass. It's your responsibility to ensure the information provided is free from malware and does not violate copyright laws. The most detailed and valuable information is often not found on HTML pages, but instead within documents that can be downloaded, such as PDFs, Excel sheets, or Word files. Therefore, you can only expect a summary of the HTML page content and link suggestions, leaving the responsibility of downloading to the user. This isn't an issue when humans are the recipients of the information, but what happens if the information is meant for another AI agent within an automated process? Let me show you a real example. I'll Google for a list of CGI commands for IP cameras. The first result is one of my own websites, where I know there's a link to a PDF document containing the information I'm looking for. I'm confident there are no security issues or copyright violations. Let's start by asking Copilot for the same information. It takes us to the same website and suggests a link to navigate to the correct page. However, it refuses thoroughly to download any document from this page or any other. Now I'll try with ChatGPT. It finds the same page and provides more information than Copilot, but it hasn't accessed the document either. It doesn't outright refuse to download the document as Copilot does, but it simply repeats the previous response. When I insist, it doesn't refuse either. Instead, it offers 3 links to PDF files selected from the search results. It's up to me to decide whether or not to download them. A colleague recommended Perplexity as the best AI search agent. Let's try it to conclude this demonstration. Not surprisingly, Perplexity produces the same results. The information might be better presented, but we still don't get the specific information we asked for. You can insist, but the outcome will remain the same. Finally, it even switches to Spanish, just to make sure I fully understand. There's absolutely no way it will download a PDF or anything else. Now, it's time for the adults to address the problem. We need a search engine with an API. I chose Bing Web Search, but there are other options. Let's use Postman to look at a sample of the results. You can use a standard HTTP head request to retrieve information such as file length and type from a URL. And you can use an API like Google Web Risk to verify the safety of a given URL. Let's summarize a simple algorithm as an example of how to process search results. It basically involves downloading the files, asking an AI assistant to answer the request using each file, combining all the responses, and then letting another assistant choose the best option as the final answer. To wrap up this video, you'll see how my search assistant, Webo, handles my request within my multi-assistant collaborative console. The response is accurate for the request I made. Instead of the usual, here are some links possibly related to your request. Figure out their value and relevance yourself. That's enough for today. Goodbye and thanks for watching.